It's not so easy to answer the question, what is philosophy, because it really depends on who you ask. The Greek roots of the word suggest that philosophy is about the love of wisdom. All philosophers agree on that, though how one gains wisdom and what wisdom is varies widely among different philosophical traditions. Still, all philosophers agree that there are four main branches of philosophy. To identify the first branch, we can ask, are there any limits to what we can know? When philosophers try to answer this question by giving detailed philosophical arguments, they are doing epistemology, because epistemology is the branch of philosophy that examines the nature and scope of human knowledge. We'll study carefully the epistemologies of Plato, Descartes, and Hume. Another philosophical question we might ask is, what is there in the universe and what is it like? For example, does God exist? Metaphysics tries to answer this question, because metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that examines what there is and the principles that govern it. If we focus only on views about what there is, we call that part ontology. We'll see that epistemology and metaphysics are closely related, especially in the works of Plato and Descartes. Hume is very skeptical about metaphysics. If we want to become more wise about what is the right thing to do in a given situation, we're interested in ethics. Because ethics is the branch of philosophy that examines the reasoning and principles we use to assess the moral worth of our actions. We'll consider some ethical questions near the beginning of the course, because these were really central to both Socrates and Plato. When we are thinking philosophically, we're typically offering reasons to support conclusions. So, philosophers are interested in how we can be sure to reason correctly, or we might say reason logically, because logic is the branch of philosophy that examines the principles and patterns of correct reasoning. These then are the four branches of philosophy. In contemporary philosophy, we now find areas such as philosophy of science or philosophy of language that focus on a particular human enterprise and examine its epistemology, metaphysics, ethics, and logic.